If you're seeing OneDrive error 1200, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get signed in and syncing again. We'll start with the simplest solution first, then move on to deeper fixes if the problem keeps coming back. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's try restarting OneDrive. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. Right-click the icon, then choose Quit OneDrive. This fully closes the app and can clear out a temporary sign-in glitch. After that, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. Once it opens, try signing in again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to remove saved OneDrive credentials. Sometimes Windows keeps old or broken login data, and that can trigger error 1200. Press Windows and S on your keyboard and type Credential Manager. Open the Credential Manager app, then click Windows Credentials. Now look through the list for anything related to OneDrive, Microsoft Office, or ADAL. These entries can store outdated sign-in tokens. Remove the matching entries carefully, then restart your computer. After your PC boots back up, open OneDrive again and sign in one more time. Still having trouble? Then it's time to reset OneDrive. Press Windows and R to open the Run box. In the field, type C:\program files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe \reset, then press Enter. This command resets OneDrive without deleting your files. Give it about 2 minutes to finish because the app may disappear and then relaunch on its own. If it doesn't reopen automatically, go back to the Start menu, open OneDrive manually, and try signing in again. If the error is still showing after the reset, the last main fix is to reinstall OneDrive. Press Windows and I to open Settings, then click Apps. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the installed apps list, click it, and choose Uninstall. After the uninstall is complete, restart your computer to make sure everything is cleared out properly. Then reinstall OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account again. A fresh install can often fix corrupted files or broken updates that cause login problems. At this point, one of these methods should resolve OneDrive error 1200 and get your account working again. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other troubleshooting guides on the screen for more helpful fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.